Hey Strive for Change, it's Tara coming to you live from Las Vegas this afternoon. Detox video, keeping it to 2 minutes. So glad that I waited to do mine until after celebration. Got so much out of that, but one of the things that really hit home with me was when Peter Kelly said, you have to bless yourself first before you can bless anyone else. And I am going to really work on that daily. Making sure that I give myself my time, being very deliberate, being very focused, being very diligent about that every day. It's things that we all know. We know it, but we don't do it. So it's action. It's putting that into action. Girls, I'm sure you'll relate to this. Think about how many purses you have, how many shoes you have, how many outfits you have, but you have one body. And are we taking care of that body the way that it was intended? I know I don't always do that. And so that is what this 30-day focus is going to be for me. And I love that we can all do this together because you're so much stronger when you do things as a group, as opposed to trying to do them by yourself. One of the things that was reinforced to us at Celebration was that when you do things as a team or in a group, your pain threshold is so much higher. You can take so much more. You can do so much more. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on a lot more. I'm a work in progress every day. I've said that. I believe that, but this is going to be my main focus for this 30 days. So love doing these challenges. Let's do it. Love you guys. Bye.